Hare Krishna. In the chanting of the holy name, one should do it patiently and peacefully, as if there is nothing else awaiting for you. There is one Garudacharya who was in the line of Shankara. He says, imagine if you take a small clump of grass or a small leaf or something with which you take some droplets of water from the ocean and throw it and come back and pick up one more and throw it and come back. How much time it will take for you to dry up the ocean? One should be ready even for doing that. And then he says, one's patience and determination in performing the spiritual sadhana should cut across many lifetimes. What to speak of sitting for 2 hours? We should cut across many lifetimes, he says, because the soul's progress in this world may happen in one life or many, many lives. So one should be firmly determined that I have got the Guru, I have got the Vaishnavas, I have got the Shastras, I have got the deities to worship, and I have got the process which is chanting of the holy name. Everything, all the necessary tools and equipments necessary for a sadhaka are available to me now. All I need to do is to proceed on my journey, the forward journey, progressive journey, purifying journey, and I may attain the goal in this life or in a million lives, but I am rightly situated. So one should have that type of patience and determination in performing one sadhana. For example, if I am going to sit down and start chanting, and immediately I think of a dozen pending matters to be done today, then our chanting is simply not chanting, it is cheating. Because mind is repeatedly going to those items thinking, first one I should do this, second one I will do this, and afternoon I will do this, tomorrow I will do that. So mind is more in a plan-making mode. Rather, one should dismiss all one's plans and say that anytime anything can happen in this world. You heard about it day for yesterday, 900 earthquakes in Japan. 900. There was a prediction even before. 900 means what? Cracks in the road opening and cars going inside. Like that, there are 900 places the cracks came and, great damages have happened now, just a couple of days ago. So, if earthquake comes, can somebody say, no, I'm very busy, I have a lot of things to do. So, new things keep happening in the nature. There was California fire, now you're hearing about earthquake, you're hearing about plane crash and so many things. The material world is a temporary place, dangerous place, and a place of varieties of sufferings. And it's not going to be there always. We are here now, then our situations will keep changing from one body to another, then second body to third body. Why to be attached to our plans and activities in one body? Even if we achieve anything very big, you become a crorepati in this life, next life we can be a beggar, or not even in a human body also. So therefore, one should not foolishly let the mind hover over the temporary achievements or the temporary glitter and glamour of this world. Rather, one should withdraw oneself inside and say that what is permanent? Krishna is permanent. Holy name is permanent. Jiva's identity is permanent. And my loving relation with Krishna is permanent. So focus on that and calling out to the holy name by the soul and Krishna listening to that holy name and reciprocating. These are all eternal, permanent realities. So therefore, one requires the type of patience without disturbance, without agitation, without plan making, like a serene lake where there are no ripples on the surface. Then the full moon will be reflecting on the lake. In the same manner, when we chant the holy name with that type of patience and attention, then the holy name can be heard. When the holy name is heard well, like a lens, if you shake the lens, you are not going to get the focal point. If you hold the lens firmly without shaking, and then slightly move up and down, find out where is the focal point, then you can get the focal point. Then you can burn the paper or cotton. Similarly, when the holy name is chanted with attentiveness, without any other thoughts and everything, then the holy name actually purifies the heart. And as the heart is more and more purified, then more purification, more attention, and more progress. In this way, a sadhaka can make forward progress very easily, provided we are patient and we are enthusiastic and very attentive. And Harinam is actually very powerful medicine, but we should accept it with firm faith. And faith, what is the proof? We have firm faith, then we don't run here and there. Okay, the best thing I have got now, the holy name, let me just give all my energy and attention and time to it. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees, ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhya kripa sindubhya evacha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha Ananta koti Vaishnava vrindaki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki Srila Prabhupada ki